In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the stroke width profile in Figma. This is a fantastic feature for adding a dynamic and custom look to your designs, moving beyond simple, uniform lines and enhancing their visual appeal. To begin, the very first thing we need to do is add a shape to our canvas. You can pick any shape you like. A simple rectangle, a circle, or even a custom vector path will work perfectly. For demonstration purposes, I'll add a basic rectangle to my Figma design. This shape will be the canvas for us to apply and observe our stroke width profile changes. Once your shape is on the canvas, ensure it is selected. With your shape selected, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your Figma interface. Here, you'll find the Design panel, which contains all the properties of your chosen element. Within this panel, locate the Stroke section. It's usually found beneath the Fill options. If you don't see it, you might need to click the plus icon next to Stroke to add one to your shape. Go ahead and click directly on the word Stroke itself, or on the color swatch next to it, to open up its detailed properties. Now that the stroke properties are visible, we're going to adjust its weight. The weight essentially refers to the thickness of your stroke. You'll see a numerical input field, often labeled 1px or similar, next to the stroke color. Changing this value will make your stroke thicker or thinner. For better visibility when demonstrating the width profile, I recommend increasing the weight to something noticeable, perhaps 4 or 6 pixels. You can either type in a new number or use the convenient up and down arrows to adjust the weight incrementally. With the stroke weight configured, we're ready to dive into the more advanced settings. Still within the Stroke section of the Design panel, look for a small icon that typically represents advanced stroke settings. This often looks like 3 dots stacked vertically or a small settings cog, usually located near the alignment and cap join options. Click on this icon to reveal a deeper level of customization for your stroke. Upon clicking, a new dialog box or an expanded section will appear, offering various options like cap, join, and crucially for us, profile. The width profile is where the magic truly happens. By default, it's usually set to uniform, meaning the stroke maintains a consistent thickness all the way around your shape. Click on the drop-down menu next to Profile. Here, you'll see a selection of predefined profiles. Each profile offers a unique way for the stroke to vary in thickness along its path. For example, you might find profiles that elegantly taper the stroke at its ends, making it thinner, or ones that create a distinct bulge in the middle for a more rounded effect. Experiment with these options. As you select different profiles, you'll instantly see your shape's stroke transform, gaining a more dynamic and artistic appearance. This allows you to add much more character and sophistication to your designs than a simple uniform stroke ever could. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the stroke width profile in Figma. This technique is incredibly useful for creating visually interesting icons, unique illustrations, or just giving your UI elements a little extra flair.